Hello guys, Nepal Times here, welcome to a new video. Today we are unboxing the Magic Mouse. Okay, so we have it here. It is the Magic Mouse, the infamous, the one that charges on the bottom, the one that has kind of no buttons, the one that's not very ergonomic. All of that is in here. Now this was released a long time ago actually, was it, I don't know, 2016 maybe? And it's been, pretty controversial since then for all the things I've said. But yeah, I got it on a very cheap price. I think, so brief history on this, I think this is the one that came with the Mac Pro, I think? Or that came out with the Mac Pro but then was sold separately. And yeah, because it's black, but the bottom is space gray. I don't even know. Anyway, I got it super cheap because this usually retails for €110. I got it for 45, and as you can see, it's brand new sealed. So super excited about this deal. I wanted one of these for a while. I don't even know why. I actually have it because my father has an iMac, so he has one of these. But yeah, I want it in black. Eventually, I want to have who knows, maybe a studio display with a keyboard and a mouse and be able to plug the Mac in and just do that. But for now, we have the mouse. So enough of me talking, now let's go and unbox it. Okay, so I have my handy dandy knife here. We will unbox this. You can tell how old it is because it still uses plastic. Apple doesn't do that anymore, which is a good thing of course. But yeah, plastic out, and then we lift. This is gonna take a while. And here it is. Oh, there was a hair inside. Ooh, interesting design on the back of the box actually. With all that thing, this is a smooth surface. Yeah, very good. And then this. I think it's the new one actually. It's not the space gray one. It's the, so it's black on top, and just silver at the bottom. The one with the iMac Pro, I think it was, or the Mac Pro, one of those. No, I think the Mac Pro was space gray. The Mac Pro was this one. But anyway, it's super cool. Like, I wanted to have the black one. I didn't even care. What else? For some reason, the black one, it was more expensive than the white one. Who knows? What else do we have in here? We have paperwork. Oh! No way! Just for this, it was worth the $45. It's a USB-C to Lightning cable, but not any USB-C to Lightning cable. It's a braided USB-C to Lightning cable, but not any braided USB-C to Lightning cable. It's a black braided USB-C to Lightning cable. No, I'm very excited. Like, I didn't even know this was a thing. I'm even happier about my purchase now. This is so cool. I didn't know if it would bring a cable to charge it. I guess it makes sense that it does. But the black one, this is insane. This is so cool. I'm excited. I'm almost more excited for this than the mouse. Anyway, the mouse will of course connect to your Mac automatically, and it will also connect to your iPad. So I actually have a very nice combo. So I have the 10.5-inch iPad Pro, the second generation one. However, it's in a different country at the moment. But I also have the smart keyboard, what's it called, for that iPad. And with that combo and this mouse, you actually had a pretty decent workstation right there. I wish I had the iPad here to show you. But yeah, eventually when I get it, I will share a picture. We'll just get this charged and connected. I'll show you on the iPad mini. Okay, so here we have the setup, and I brought up this keyboard. I don't even remember the name of this keyboard. Was it the smart keyboard, maybe? For the iPad Pro. As I said, I'm missing the iPad Pro in itself. But wouldn't it be cool, eh? Anyway, here's the mouse, and I don't have a mouse pad, so we'll be using this UNICEF newsletter. This is the mouse, and as you can see, I brought this just for the looks, but we'll actually have a look at it in the iPad mini. So you can see how cool this is. You actually have the battery that's left on the mouse here in the battery widget, so it's super cool. And we have of course the mouse, the Apple Pencil here, Everything's super cool. And you'll see that iPadOS is actually optimized for the mouse, because when I hover over an icon, there, like, the cursor disappears and the cursor is here and that, and you have all your gestures here. Actually, I don't know. Let's try. If I go to Safari, you can see that scrolling is supported by the mouse in itself. So I can just do the normal scrolling that I would do on the mouse and it will scroll here, which is good. It also supports going back in the page just by sliding 2 fingers, and of course going forward by sliding in the opposite direction. But yeah, this is nice. Actually, I like it. Only thing, okay, I didn't know this. So okay, so if you click on the bar here at the bottom, it will take you home. That's nice. But yeah, a keyboard is definitely needed, because if not, it kind of doesn't make sense to, you know, yeah, just have to type here. Doesn't really work. But no, it's nice. This is nice. Okay. Okay, so just looking for mouse here in settings, we have some stuff, but not really any controls. That's weird, but yeah, I guess it does already what it needs to do, doesn't it? But yeah, so this has been the Magic Mouse in black. I love it. Of course, we have the Apple logo here in gray and the mouse in black, and yeah, you can even take this off. But yeah, this is gonna be everything. Now let's go ahead and finish the video. Okay, so as you saw, the Magic Mouse, very useful either with Mac or with iPad, doesn't even matter. Yeah, very nice. I did take the cable apart. It's 1 meter or 3 feet long. So yeah, man, do I wish this was a USB-C to USB-C cable. But nonetheless, I'm not gonna complain. I have so many Lightning devices. This is, I'm gonna use this so much. But yeah, this was today's video. Do I recommend this mouse? If you can get it at a cheap price, go for it. But actually, I think Apple might be planning something. A replacement for this might be coming soon, I think. Because yeah, we've had all the Apple Silicon transition. Now they have to change it for the USB-C. I think something's coming, not gonna lie. But yeah, that's gonna be everything from me today. If you like this video, please thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave them at the comments below and I will do my best to answer. And if you like Apple content in general, then you should subscribe, because that's exactly what I post and you'll see 2 of those per week. But yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.